Okay, so my objective today is to show you the detailed targeting. I try to do some screenshots, but it can be really tough to show you through screenshots. So I did this video really quickly, and here I'm in the Facebook. I'm in an ad set on Facebook, and I just want to show you really quickly. So I'm going to I'm going to come down here, and in this detailed targeting section, I want to show you they can either do suggestions. So these are suggestions based off this event that I selected. This was an event that I was doing for one of my groups. But uh, to show you the effectiveness, I want you to see browse. So I'm going to click on browse here and then show you these three categories, right? And each category will give us different options. So I'm going to click demographics. You can see here, you can target people based off all of this demographic information. Education level, associate's degree, all of that information is there. You can target people based on that information. So let's close down education. Let's go to financial. You can target people based on their income level. That's an option. Let's close that down. Life events, anniversary, birthday, friends of. You can target people based off of this. Newlywed, new marriage, new relationship, new job. Parents, you can target parents, new parents, all parents, parents with children, older children, adult children, teenagers. You can target people based off all of that. Let's close parents down. Relationships, relationship status, all of that. Divorce, engaged. All of those things are there, right? There's so much here. And then you got work. You can target people based off their work. Industries, right? You got all those different industries available there. You've got employers, you've got job titles. You would search for these too. And let's close down. So those are demographics in some level. Now we're going to show interest. So you can target people based on their interests. What are you interested in? Business and industry. These are all available. Banking, that's underneath business. Design. These are all things underneath interest. Right? That was just business and industry. You got entertainment, family and relationship. These are all interests that you can target people based off of. Games, live events, reading, TV, food and drink, alcoholic beverages, cuisines. This is why Facebook is powerful, and a lot of times people don't utilize this correctly. They have all these data points and all this information that you can use. Technology, right? Computers, consumer electronics. So let's close down interest, and then let's go to behaviors just so you can get a glance. So behaviors, anniversary, consumer classification, I don't really know what that is. Mobile device user. All of these are options. This was a big one. Politics, right? Likely to engage with conservative content, liberal content, moderate content. You got people's purchase behavior. So engage shoppers. Who's actively shopping? Let's target them, right? They got soccer in there, and they even got travel. Frequent flyers. Just return, right? So you can target people based off all these interests, and it's a little difficult to show it in screenshots. So I wanted to put together this quick video so you can see the power of targeting people based off this detailed targeting. All right, so I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the inside.